call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Kalaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. Now come here the boy at kaya siya host. There you go, champion guys, hindi dyan ang papahuli. Ang kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. There you go, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill. We decide to pick them up. Buceros sa Mindanensis. Minda Mindanao and NC's speaking, belonging to therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuga. It comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilit mata po. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Let's practice first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Come on, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready ng ating habisita mga kuya, na Kuya Dexter, Kuya Jimar, ready na ba? Ang ating mga kalaw ng folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis na to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect match. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana ko talaga po subukin pa sa ating mga kalaw ay forever, no? Mas mga single ladies out there ha, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, no? Nandito lang ang... Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi sa mga trino. Medyo na guys, once again, magpapakita nila sa ulit ang ating mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis na to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin. Ating mga kalaw, Kuya Jimar and Kuya Dexter. Alright, folks.